So this is how you can transfer your Pi coins to Mainnet. It's actually a very simple process. What you're going to want to do is, of course, open the app and tap on the three lines at the top left. Now, tap on Mainnet, and this is your balance dashboard. This shows you your unverified balance, transferable balance, and migrated balance. Now, your unverified balance is, well, your raw balance. This is basically the balance that has been collected but hasn't been touched. Your transferable are the ones that are able to transfer to your wallet, and the migrated is basically all of the coins that have migrated or transferred to your wallet. Now, how do you unlock Mainnet? Well, this is the Mainnet checklist. Make sure you've done everything before you could actually access the Mainnet. Now, they have a simple tutorial for each of these checklists, so I'm pretty sure you can just simply do it yourself by tapping on Start, and it's going to guide you step by step. And I'm just going to scroll through, and you can pause the video and see if you've already done that task. Now let's move on. So let's say you do have the mainnet checklist activated. What you're going to want to do is convert your unverified balance by tapping on this convert button. Convert that into your transferable balance over here. And now that you have transferable balance, simply tap on transfer and then choose a wallet. You're gonna have to make sure that you have a wallet logged in to your mainnet or to your Pi network so that you could migrate it to there. Once you do, simply tap on view wallet, and there you can see the amount of coins that you have in your mainnet or in your wallet. It's really that simple. So that is how you can transfer your coins to mainnet. Again, convert your unverified to transferable and transfer your transferable to the mainnet migrations. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.